thinking of ordering from Kelly, Toronto? The site shows stylish clothing and deals that almost seem too good to pass up. But is it actually a legit fashion store or just another scam hiding behind nice photos? Let's break it down. Quick disclaimer, this video is based on public information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. Kelly Toronto is one of those trendy looking sites offering fashion at crazy low prices. The homepage looks decent and the product photos very convincing. But when you check Trustpilot, red flags starts flying. Tons of people complain about orders never arriving. Some say what they got looked nothing like the pictures. Others mention no response from customer support and don't even get started on refund issues. Over on Scam Advisor, the site gets a pretty low trust score with concerns about hidden ownership, a newly registered domain, and copy-pasted policies, all common signs of a sketchy store. Even some of the glowing reviews on the site feels a bit manufactured. You know the type, generic names, overly perfect English, and all 5 stars. So is Kelly Toronto legit? Honestly, it doesn't look good. Between the terrible customer reviews and red flags on scam checking sites, it seems like a high-risk store that's better to avoid. Cute clothes aren't worth the headache. Have you ordered from Kelly Toronto? Did it go well or was it a mess? Drop your experience in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews on viral shops and online deals. See you in the next one.